Brigit and traditional overdrafts both help cover a shortage of money in your account, but they work differently, and the lower cost option depends on the fees and terms connected to each service. By the end, you'll understand how Brigit compares with a traditional overdraft, what costs to check, and what questions to ask before choosing either option. The biggest difference is where the service comes from. A traditional overdraft is a feature provided by your bank. It can allow transactions to go through when your available balance is too low, depending on your bank's rules and your account settings. Brigit works through its own financial app. Instead of being built into your checking account, Brigit provides its own tools that users access through the app. The first thing to compare is the total cost. Traditional overdrafts can involve bank fees based on your account agreement and usage. Brigit has its own service terms and costs that can vary depending on the features you use. Check the exact pricing and conditions for your accounts before deciding. The second thing to compare is how you access the money. A bank overdraft may happen automatically when an eligible transaction exceeds your balance. Brigit requires you to use the app and follow the steps available through its service. The third thing to compare is control. Some people prefer a bank feature that works directly with their checking account. Others prefer using an app where they can review available options before taking action. The better choice depends on how you manage short-term cash needs. Before using either option, review your bank's overdraft settings and your Brigit account details. Check fees, repayment requirements, and any conditions that apply. If you are trying to reduce unexpected costs, look at your past transactions. Identify when overdraft fees or short-term cash shortages happen, and compare which option gives you more predictable costs. The key points are simple. First, Brigit and traditional overdrafts solve a similar problem through different systems. Second, the cheaper option depends on the specific fees attached to your bank account and Brigit account. Third, reviewing the terms before using either service helps you avoid surprises. Your next step is to compare the current details in your Brigit app with your bank's overdraft policy before you need extra funds. If this guide helped you understand the difference, like the video and subscribe for more personal finance guides.